It's time for a wake-up call. It's time to examine our hearts and to be who we're meant to be. Christians can get a little insular. We're meant to love. We're not meant to change people. We're not meant to do a lot of the things that we think we're meant to do. The Holy Spirit is meant to change people. We're meant to be the arms and legs and feet and hands of Jesus. Christians can become so fat with teaching, fat with music, fat with their Christian influences. They're too worried about what is offending them than to think about the people that need to be loved. If you're worrying too much about being more about being offended than about showing people love, you've got a problem. If you can only love people that you agree with, maybe you're not really a Christian.